ดีค่ะ Welcome to the Thairific Kitchen, where everyone can cook with your local ingredients. Today I'm gonna show you how to cook rice without rice cookers.
We can use a pot that we have in our kitchen. A small tip is to try to find a pot with a thick bottom so it can distribute the heat through the rice evenly. For rice, you can use any rice. Today, I use basmati rice as it is commonly found here in Ireland. I got this one from Lidl and it costs only €1. A tip is about the rice and the water ratios, which usually depends on different types of rice, but most of rice use the ratio around 1 cup of rice per 1.5 cups of water. I checked on this package and it says add the amount of rice into 6 times amount of water, which is way too much than usual. So I will use the normal ratio of 1 cup of rice per 1.5 cup of water. I will cook 2 cups of rice today. I will add 3 cups of water. Let's follow the clip now.
Here, and this is how it looks. Now we get the full pot of rice. It's perfect. I'll show you. You have a very soft rice here, and it takes about 25 minutes, but I use 2 cups of rice. If you cook 1 cup of rice, usually it takes around 15 minutes. And so I hope you like this method and try it out, and please subscribe to see the next clip. You will see a variety of Thai food that you may not see or find anywhere outside Thailand. I try to cook with the simple ingredients, simple method and simple cooking tools so everyone can do it at home yourself. And stay safe everyone. Bye bye. สวัสดีค่ะ